What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.0301, up about 0.46 on the day. See market cap of 210 million, 24-hour volume 58.19 million. Did a life update in the Bitcoin video, the previous video today. Just arrived in Lagos, Nigeria. So we'll hop into the charts. All right, gang. So we're just consolidating. There is the possibility of still coming down to 0.026. However, if we can break this wave 4 high at about 0.031, that could be confirmation of a push to the upside. We had a bullish divergence on the hourly. It's starting to play out. A little bit of an inverse head and shoulders as well. You have a left shoulder here. You have a head, potential right shoulder. So that could lead to a breakout if we break the neckline. And you could potentially see a push up to about 0.033, which would break that wave 4 high, which could be the start of a bullish move to the upside. Now, if we do see the ending diagonal, then this is what I would look for: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, something like that, to take you down to 0.025, 0.026 before seeing continuation back to the upside. All right, this consolidation over the last week has been rather boring, but sometimes that's the way it is. I'm starting to get a stuffed nose. I have a killer headache. I think it's from the weather change and the jet lag, but that's okay. So we're sitting in our wave 2 pullback zone. As I mentioned, watch for that double bottom. As you can see, money is flowing back in really strongly on the daily. So I do think we're likely to see a breakout relatively soon, in my opinion, even if we do create a bit of a lower low. But of course, we can break out from here if we get back above the EMAs. That would be a strong sign. And the wave 3 target is 25 cents. I've been loading the bags while we've been in this target zone from a hodl position, and I'll continue to do so until we start to take off. We create a lower low, I'll continue to add to my position. All right, gang, currently we are in 3 trades in the Discord. You can have free access to my signals if you sign up to Bitget or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitget, grab those bonuses, and then all you have to do is make your first deposit. It takes 2 minutes. And yeah, 30-day free trial, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And free access to my signals, analysis, crypto news, member profits, hodl, all plays. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link for direct access. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.